without further ado, Jonathan Weiss. Thanks, Nick. Thanks everybody for coming out. I want to welcome everyone. Just very briefly, for those who don't know too many details, Folsom Powerhouse is a mixed-use project. We're going to be building 21 for sale units, which will all be extending the rest of the way down the block to that building and to the other side of that building. We're building 10 rental units in 2 buildings, one building here and one building on the other side of this building. And we also have room for commercial storefront space on the corner here to try and enliven the corner. I want to acknowledge Chad Ludeman, who's standing over there. He's going to speak to you guys in a couple of minutes. Chad and I met a few years ago and found that while our business models were a little different, there was a lot of overlap in what we were trying to achieve. We both shared a commitment to sustainability. We both wanted to find ways to build affordably and offer products that are affordable, whether to buyers or to renters. Perhaps even more significantly, we shared a focus on neighborhoods and community. We both recognize the importance of development projects paying attention to the neighborhoods in which they're located. We both understand the strong impact that the built environment can have on a community, on residents, on neighbors, on passers-by. We are both committed to creating projects that make a positive contribution to the neighborhoods that they're a part of.
Having the opportunity to represent Francisville does a couple of things. One, got a lot of support over here, but most importantly, it allows me to participate in what I believe to be the cutting-edge neighborhood. As time goes on, Francisville quickly became a neighborhood of choice. So you're now starting to see a lot of diversity with respect to the type of housing. And now you have a mixed-use development, which I think is probably one of the first of this particular type as it relates to the development in Francisville. So I just want to say that being able to watch the evolution of this community is really awesome. And you guys are bringing something new to the table.
This street, which is just across the street from our beloved Francisville playground, becomes something that is no longer an eyesore, a blight, a place where people commit crimes and all of those sorts of things. It does present an opportunity for some middle-income folks and moderate-income folks to buy into the neighborhood who otherwise would not be able to do that. At the end of the day, it will be beautiful and it will be a model for other developers that are looking to do similar projects, not just in this neighborhood, but in the city.
This project, as many projects do, have a requirement under a program called the 1% for Art program. This requires that 1% of the construction budget be spent on public art. And we were surprised and pleased when we started working with the Redevelopment Authority's Art Committee that they really encouraged us to incorporate the art into the architecture of the project.
Super excited to be collaborating with the full team, the architects and developers, as well as the landscape architects, on a very integrated proposal, which will be drawing upon local themes here in the neighborhood that are also a part of the project, and integrating cutting-edge techniques in digital design and fabrication, and even drawing upon some of the local history in terms of looking at this site as formerly being actually the site of a vineyard. So watch out for Polyvine.
If you guys want to talk to us about sustainability features afterwards, we can go on and on, but in a nutshell, these homes will be just like everything else that we've built to date. They're going to be super insulated, very sustainable. We really focus on indoor air quality, low water usage, and we already talked about the price points and modern design, which ISA has done a great job of.
It's not easy to do a mixed-use, mixed-income project like this and to achieve the highest levels of sustainability, so I really do want to commend the team for doing the extra work to make that happen. When I can point to a project like this that's dealing with highly energy-efficient building, environmental stewardship, social equity, economic development, and engaging the neighborhood, it makes my job a lot easier. And I think with your leadership here in the development, on the development side, we can show that it's possible, and this really is the standard that we should be shooting for in all the developments that we're doing here with this kind of public art and this kind of neighborhood engagement. Hope this is the first of many more projects like it from your development team. Thank you.
3, 2, 1.